First time ako nagkaroon ng, pare, you are a geologist.
Yes, sir.
And you are the husband of your wife. And your wife's name is Marisa. Yun ang maganda. Well, anyway, ano bang ginagawa na isang geologist, pare?
Sa trabaho ko, we're looking for oil.
Uy!
Yep.
Okay. Imagine, looking for oil, and this time, you're gonna look for fish.
Yes, indeed.
Ha?
Indeed.
Okay, just remember, pag nakita mo isda, wag mong papanain. Baka panain mo yun, magagalit ako sa'yo. Ngayon, importante yun, bumili ka ng fish book. Kasi pag nakita mo isda, hindi mo alam yung pangalan, hindi mo ma-appreciate
Re-relate yung...
Yes, okay, testingin kita. Alam mo ba ibig sabihin ng pygmy seahorse?
Pygmy seahorse. Maliit na seahorse?
Yes. Oo, ganun lang kaliit yun, pare. Anyway, kung gusto mo makita ng pygmy seahorse, pag may nakita kang sea fan, okay, magdala ka
yung black ano?
Hindi, kahit anong klaseng sea fan, white, red, kahit anong klase, kahit anong kulay, magdala ka ng magnifying glass.
Okay.
Kasi mahirap siyang hanapin, ganun lang siya kaliit. Okay, ima-magnify mo. Kanya nga, alam mo sa Puerto Galera, yung mga dive master doon, tatanong sa'yo, what kind of pygmy seahorse do you want to see? Orange, black, red? Ganun sila kagaling.
Wow.
Kasi meron silang tinatawag na extra pay pag pinakita sa'yo yung pygmy seahorse. Tama? Kaya kailangan meron kang fish book at saka coral book para lalo mo ma-appreciate ang diving.
Sige.
Pare, diver ka na.
Marami po salamat.
Alright.